What's up, everybody? So today I was going to do a quick little install video on the Duramax. It is a 2016, so it's an LML. I got a Wherli Fab custom turbo resonator delete plate. Super simple install. I just wanted to show you guys that were curious how to install one of those. You know how it's done. Like I said, super simple, 2 bolts. We're gonna be removing the stock turbo resonator, and it's the big chunk of plastic that says 6.6 liter on it. So removing that, you know, potentially get a little bit more turbo noise out of it, because why not? Who doesn't like to hear that when they're driving? So yeah, so I'll just go ahead and do a quick little before and after of the exhaust, just to see maybe if that changes at all, and we'll do kind of like an engine bay sound check as well, just kind of see what changes, maybe pitches, or you know, something might change tone wise, who knows. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll see what it sounds like. So like I said before, super simple install. There's gonna be 2 10mm bolts, one directly on the top, and then one offset on the back. So I just got 3/8 drive ratchet, an extension, and an extended 10mm socket, just to make things easy to reach. So go ahead and climb up in there. Go ahead and get up in here. It's pretty sturdy up here, so don't worry too much about cracking the plastic or anything like that. I mean, don't be stupid about it and like jump up and down up here, but alright, so there's one. I'm gonna get the one in the back. There's 2. Second one's a little bit longer, so just expect to be turning on it a little bit longer. So it kind of just comes out, we'll kind of pull it over a little bit, out and up off this bracket right here. And then yeah, there's that chunk of plastic that is not necessary. So now we'll take our Wherli Fab custom resonator block off plate, and it came with 2 Allen bolts that look like this. So we'll set it up on here. Make sure the seal's nice and pressed down and not coming up or anything. Set it on, press down on it. So you have to start threading them on with your fingers. Then grab the other one. Start threading it in the back. Grab our Allen key. not the right size Allen key that's doing the job. Be careful if you don't have the right size and it's a little loose in there. You don't want to strip the bolt out or anything. Get it nice and snug. Get a better view on it. Nice and snugged up. Don't want to over tighten it. So yeah, there it is installed. Looks pretty good if I do say so. Takes a little bit more plastic out of the engine bay. Makes it look a little bit cleaner. Alright, so let's go ahead and start it up and see if it sounds any different. Honestly, it's hard to tell, but I will say it does sound like there's a little bit more whistle when you get on it. The boost builds up some, but you know, I'm not complaining about it for 40 bucks. Something that looks nice and clean like that. The real test will be actually driving it and listening to it. Just a simple, quick install. Cheap part, quality part though. But yeah, this is my 2016 Duramax. Love this thing. Got some aftermarket mirrors on it from Amazon because when I bought the truck, there was two mismatching mirrors, one black, one chrome. These were plug and play, and they actually ended up, I didn't even realize they were going to do this, but they actually ended up being like sequential. I thought that was pretty neat. So I can throw the link for those also down in the description below, and I'll put the link for the turbo resonator block off plate from Wherli Fab down in the description. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video of this quick little install, leave a like, comment, tell me if you think it sounds any different. It's going to be hard to tell probably from the video, but you know, it's one of those things that when you drive it every day, you'll kind of be the one that notices it or not. So that's about it. And I will catch you guys in the next video.